Intro. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible potential of artificial intelligence in revolutionizing virtual power plants, leading to a more sustainable and efficient electricity grid. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on green technologies and innovations. Chapter 1. What are virtual power plants? Virtual power plants, or VPPs, are decentralized networks that aggregate various distributed energy resources, such as solar panels, wind turbines, energy storage systems, and demand response programs. By combining these resources, VPPs can optimize the grid's performance, increase the share of renewable energy, and promote sustainability. Let's see how AI can contribute to VPPs. Chapter 2. The role of AI in virtual power plants. AI plays a critical role in VPPs by enabling accurate forecasting, coordinating participants, optimizing energy dispatch, and more. Here are some key ways AI is transforming VPPs. Accurate forecasting. AI analyzes historical and real-time data to predict energy supply and demand, ensuring a stable grid and minimizing the need for fossil fuel-based backup power plants. Coordination of participants. AI effectively coordinates diverse participants within a VPP, sending signals to adjust energy generation or consumption based on current grid conditions and forecasts. Optimal energy dispatch. AI determines the most efficient way to distribute energy from various sources, prioritizing renewables and managing energy storage and demand response programs. Real-time data analysis. AI processes massive amounts of data from sensors and IoT devices, enabling real-time adjustments for grid stability and response to fluctuations in energy supply and demand. Predictive maintenance. AI algorithms identify patterns that may indicate potential equipment failures or inefficiencies, minimizing downtime and reducing maintenance costs. Integration with smart grids. AI can be integrated with smart grid technologies for a more dynamic and responsive energy system, enabling seamless exchange of energy between VPPs and the larger grid. Conclusion. By harnessing the power of AI, virtual power plants can support a more sustainable, efficient, and resilient electricity grid that relies heavily on renewable energy sources. As we move towards a greener future, AI will play a vital role in revolutionizing the way we generate, store, and distribute energy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest green technologies and innovations.